Alright, so now we need to run the pill group update and draw method. But in order to get that going, we actually need to make a pill group. So let's go ahead and jump into our code. We made our ship group right here, right? So remember, when we made our ship group, and then we added both of the ships to the group, the left ship and the right ship, right? When we go ahead and make our pill group, like we do right here on line 112, we don't add the pills to the group here, right? Because our pills are being created dynamically in the game loop, right? So we need to create the pill in the game loop and then add the pill to the group in the game loop as they're being created. Okay, adding the pills to the group out here doesn't make any sense because they haven't been created yet. All right, so let's go ahead and come down here, and the way you add is you say the name of the group is equal to dot add, and we put the variable that contains the pill, and that's right there. Right. So now that we added to the group, well, we want to go ahead and blit them onto the screen. So yeah, we don't want to use blit, but instead want to use the group draw method. So let's go ahead and do that right here and say pill underscore group dot draw. Yeah, and you need to pass the screen that you want to blit onto as an argument. So I'll do that and I'll play it, and we should see pills falling down the screen. Ooh, okay. So the pills are appearing, and notice that they're not crossing over to the other side of the screen because we did use width divided by 2 minus pill width. So that would ensure that none of the pills on this side ever cross over this border here, right? But it looks like our pills are not falling down the screen. All right, so why is that? Well, we do have in our pill class an update method, and this update method is moving this rect 0 on the x-axis and speed, which is the value of 3, on the y-axis. And if we remember, what does move do? It takes this first element, 0, and adds it to the first element of the rect, which is the x position. Then it takes the second element of this tuple here, which is the 3, and it adds it to the second element of the rect, which is the y position. Right? And move returns a new rect with those modifications done, right? So if we simply say rect.move, that would do nothing, right? It would not affect the original rect, right? Because move does not affect this rect, right? Move affects this rect, creates a copy of this rect, adds this to the x position, adds this value to the y position, and returns that copy. Okay, so we need to say, okay, self.rect is going to be equal to the return value of the move method. And so yeah, we have this happening, but our pills are not falling as they should, and the reason why is the update for the pill class is not being called. Okay, so we come on back here, and we're going to update all of our groups right here, so we can just say pill underscore group dot update, and that should fix us up. And so now we have our group of pills raining down the screen. Yeah, and that's about it, right? So I guess the next thing we would want to do is probably get the ship to be able to eat the pills and start growing, right?